less than P data end equals 407 data start equals 79 greater than. Before Brett Goldstein became universally known as the gruff, foul-mouthed Roy Kent from less than M, data end equals 179 data start equals 168 greater than Ted Lasso, he had another shot at sitcom stardom that very nearly took off literally. During the ATX TV festival, Goldstein reflected on a lesser-known project that shaped his career in unexpected ways. The NBC comedy pilot less than M data end equals 406 data start equals 394 greater than spaced out, less than app data end equals 819 data start equals 409 greater than. Back in 2017, Goldstein was still a relative newcomer to the U.S. television scene. It was only his second pilot season in Los Angeles, and after a promising but ultimately shelved HBO project, he auditioned for a new show being developed by less than M data end equals 659 data start equals 651 greater than Scrubs creator Bill Lawrence. The kicker? It also starred Donald Faison, a fan favorite from less than M data end equals 754 data start equals 746 greater than Scrubs. For Goldstein, who admired Lawrence's work, it was a dream gig. Less than P data end equals 1283 data start equals 821 greater than the premise of less than M data end equals 848 data start equals 836 greater than spaced out. Company created by Adam Stegall was offbeat and ambitious, a workplace comedy set in a rocket-building facility where a team of quirky scientists, that is played by Goldstein, Faison, Miranda Cosgrove, and others, was racing to send a spacecraft to Mars. Goldstein jokingly referred to it as Space Turk, a nod to Faison's iconic role in less than M data end equals 1185 data start equals 1177 greater than Scrubs. Despite the excitement and strong chemistry on set, the show never made it past the pilot phase. Less than P data end equals 1506 data start equals 1285 greater than. The disappointment was real. Goldstein had packed up his life in the UK, fully expecting to stay in LA for the series. "I sold my place," he said. Then a month later, "It's not happening." And I was like, where do I live? Less than P data end equals 1867 data start equals 1508 greater than. But this wasn't the end. Lawrence stayed in touch and, a couple of years later, called Goldstein with an offer to write for a new football-themed comedy. At first, Goldstein declined. He had a stand-up tour and a freshly greenlit show on AMC called Less Than M. Data end equals 1767. Data start equals 1756 greater than Soulmates. It wasn't until his friend Nish Kumar urged him to cancel the F. King show that he reconsidered. Less than P data end equals 2246 data start equals 1869 greater than. Eventually, Goldstein agreed to join the writer's room for Less Than M. Data end equals 1939. Data start equals 1928 greater than Ted Lasso. But he had no idea he'd end up starring in it. In a twist worthy of TV fiction, he self-taped an audition for the role of Roy Kent, sent it in quietly, and stunned the producers. That gritty charm, the understated emotion. He less than M data end equals 2171 data start equals 2166 greater than was Roy Kent. The role would earn him 2 Emmys and international recognition. Less than 6 data end equals 2616 data is last node equals data is only node equals data start equals 2248 greater than. So while less than M data end equals 2269 data start equals 2257 greater than spaced out never launched, it propelled Goldstein into the orbit of people who would change his life forever. It's a story of near misses, loyalty, and staying open to whatever unexpected path leads you to your breakthrough. Sometimes, even when a rocket never leaves the ground, it still sets you on a journey that takes you farther than you ever imagined. Stay subscribed for more videos.